What's up, nail crew? Let's do a marble nail with Sharpies. So I've already dipped my nails, activated and buffed super smooth, wiped them off with isopropyl alcohol. Now I go in with a layer of gel base on the nail I want to marble and fully cure it for 30 seconds. Then you'll go in with a layer of matte gel top coat and fully cure that for 60 seconds. Now comes the fun. You are ready to marble with your Sharpie. Any kind of permanent marker. You can take any colors you'd like and start making little designs. I wanted this to look obviously marbly for my design. I take the purple and I take the bluish teal and start applying it all over my nail. Then you want to have some isopropyl alcohol nearby and you put it on a little brush and you start dabbing, you start dabbing it around your nail to spread out the ink from the permanent markers. So you'll see I'm going to keep going through and kind of dotting alcohol around on the little nail tool brush to see how my marble is shaping up and where I want it to spread to. And anytime that you feel like you use too much isopropyl alcohol, you just go back in with your Sharpies and your permanent markers, if they're not the Sharpie brand, and you dot a little bit more of that color right in there. Take your brush again, your nail brush, dipped in isopropyl alcohol just a tiny bit, and then dab it around again. Once I get a decent amount of the Sharpie on and the isopropyl alcohol dabbing done, I like to look at it and assess like, okay, what spots am I missing on the nail that I wanted to have a marble in, but there's some color missing. So like you can see down at my cuticle, I missed some color. It was kind of white and I wanted it to be more of the blue and purple marble. I'm back in with some more dots and little lines of the permanent marker, and then I keep taking my brush, dabbing it in paper towel, and I spread it around. Now I thought, oh, okay, I just was not feeling the marble by itself. I'm gonna take some gel base, put little dots all over my nail, and then pour over the beautiful glitter that I had on the rest of my nails, 30, Flirty, and Thriving from OG Dip Powder, and then it'll have these nice little pops of glitter all throughout the marble. I thought it would be best to just still use the gel base, and then I poured over the glitter and fully cured that for 30 seconds. Now I have to go over my entire nail and apply gel base just so that I encapsulate all the glitter and all of the Sharpie marbling. Before you do that layer of gel base over it, you have to make sure it is totally dry before you apply gel base, just so you don't mess up any of the Sharpie that you work so hard to do your nice marble or whatever design you're doing with. So then you'll cure the gel base for 30 seconds under your light and then apply gel top coat and cure that for 60 seconds. Come learn more easy nail art with me in this next video. Thanks for joining me, nail crew.